Oh no, I forgot to record this meeting. Uh, Non-parameterized, yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
We are going to input 100 numbers, not up to 100 numbers. Then it will be parameterized.
What?
We are giving count of 10 numbers or 100 numbers, no, sir. Then it
Hmm.
will be parameterized, no, sir.
Okay. So you mean to say, yeah. First 10 natural numbers. No, nothing like that. See here. Here is a condition, right? 10. If it is 100, here we write the condition. So what's your question?
Here we are giving 10 or 100 input, no, sir.
Hmm.
Count of 400 numbers or 10
Ah,
numbers.
no, see, if I wanted to use in here, in I can use, but from here I need to, at the time of calling, I have to give the number. Yes. So, so guys, this is, see here once, delimiter. So delimiter means what here? We are beginning. In this beginning, after beginning, what I am doing here, can you tell me just? Let me make it bigger. Yeah, what is happening here, guys? This part. After delimiter, we have given a create and then procedure, name of the procedure, and this is non-parameter, as nothing we are passing here. Begin, we are starting the statement, and here ending. After begin, what is this declaration statement, guys? So what is the declaration statement? Declare total sum int, and default value is what? 0. Okay. Now again declare I. I is one variable we are declaring. Simply like how we declare it is in C language, int a is equal to something. And in Python, just I we write I is equal to 10 like this. Here declaring I, int default is what? 1. Yeah. So what we are doing here, we are applying the condition while I is less than equal to what? 10. Okay. Then we are doing what? Do set the total sum. What is the total sum? Is equal to total sum plus I. So I is starting from what? 1. Okay, and the total sum is 0. So set I, we are here updating. Set means what? Update. Okay, set I is equal to what? I plus 1. So always it will keep on updating and end the while loop. We have ended the while loop. Now again select total sum as this name, some alias name we are giving, and then we are ending it. So I wanted you to try and check whether you are getting a sum of 10 digits, 1 to 10. How much it should be? 55, right? Are you getting 55 or not? Check once. Done. Non-parameterized. Guys, you are trying. Yeah, make it fast because I wanted to teach you one more concept, a small touch I will be giving you. Show program. Okay, huh. Okay, sorry. So let me also try this along with you. Mhm. This is for um, what I need to do. Just I need to call. So you're also getting the same 55. Sum of the number. Yeah, perfect. So this is how it works. Where it works in this MySQL. Yeah, done. We are done. So I guess you got somewhat understanding, right, about the stored procedure. It is a function. We can write many programs, many statements, all those. Now, now we are done with that. Now what I wanted to uh, check out here is triggers. Though we cannot execute the program, but I wanted you to check once what is exactly it is. Okay, so animation. So first I need to tell you what is a trigger. Okay, so let me tell you the trigger first, and after that we'll see that example. Then it will you can relate it. Then it will be understandable. There is a notepad here. Yeah. Now tree triggers. Triggers means like you have heard about, right? If there is any action. Now for example, what I need to do here is whenever when whenever I shared a link I'm sharing. So whenever I'm sharing a link, so what happens? You will access the link. You will access it. Yes, and request to join. Request to join. So when you're requesting to join, what I need to do? I need to accept it. Accept it. I have to accept. Yes. So what is the meaning here? I shared a link. You have to access it. So I'm doing some action here, and one more action is done here. Yes. So for example, this is just an example, and one more example I'm giving you is, for example, if I wanted to, I have given you the access. You have to insert, insert, insert the record, insert the records in one table, and in another table, some other actions should be performed, like who have inserted the record, who or person name of person who inserted the record, and then time, and then uh, how many, like time, that's it, time. So it means what? Two tables. This is what? One table, table 1, and this is what? Table 2, table 2. So here what it is, I insert the record, I insert it. So one person, I'm inserting the record in one table. It is linked with another table also. The moment I'm inserting a record, in the another moment, the table, this table, what happens? The name of my person, my name, I will be getting, and at what time I inserted that, that it will be showing me. So it means what? What is the meaning of this? This will be getting triggered. So, like for example, here we have a table A, and here we have table B. Okay. So now what happens is table A and table B. Here, if I'm doing something, any action. So it means what? If I'm doing any action here, this table is also getting automatically it should be called, or it should be triggered. Triggered means what? It should also react. It is reacting. Okay. So in one table, I'm giving some action, and this is doing some reaction. That's it. So it's just simply like every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So guys, just you understood the general meaning of a trigger? If yes, then type trigger. Perfect. Now we'll see one example. The example of this is, yeah. See, step 1, directly I'm creating what? Creating a product table. Product table I'm creating, and what are the product table columns? ID, name, varchar, quantity, and then the price. Price of what? Product table. This is my one table. Second one is what? My backup table. I'm creating one backup also, backup table. Now here also I'm creating all this. So in the backup table, what I have is my int, my name, like a name, and quantity, price, and along with the price, we have two more things, guys. Audit action. What is the audit action, and what is the audit time? Like it means what? Auditing purpose. Okay, for auditing purpose, like how many of you came here, or how many of you are doing some records. Okay, auditing purpose, it is done. So this is what my another table, product backup table. Yes. So now here what I'm doing is I'm creating what trigger. Trigger. See how the trigger is getting created like this. Create trigger, and now what I'm giving here, name of the trigger, and what here it has two things, before and after. Ante like what is the meaning here is, if I wanted to insert something, so reaction అవ్వాలి కదా, ఆ రియాక్షన్ ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది, యాక్షన్ ముందు అవుతుందా యాక్షన్ తర్వాత అవుతుందా, దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ బిఫోర్ అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ టూ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ హియర్. సో వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ వాట్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఇన్సర్ట్. సో ఇక్కడ ఏం జరుగుతుంది, క్రియేట్ ట్రిగర్ మై నేమ్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఇన్సర్ట్ ఆన్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఫర్ ఈచ్ రో. Yes, this is important. For each row, begin, we are using what begin. Now insert into, where we are inserting, ikkada insert avutundi, we are inserting into product backup and then value. So insert, we are inserting what, all this current time, everything. Yes, after this, fourth step is what, insert value. We are inserting the value in the product table, we are inserting, and now we are trying to access the product backup table, and see, you can see the magic here. So what is the magic here? Yeah, you can see the magic, guys. What you can see the magic is, even the product backup table also will be inserted. You are not inserting in the backup, but it is also getting inserted. So guys, just let's see, let's try to execute this one. Yes, yes, shall we execute one program on the triggers, guys? Yes, this program only will execute, at least one program will be there with us. Okay, so now I wanted you all to do the step one first. This one, you can able to do, right? Or should I share it in the pic, and you can use the Google Lens? Should I share it here? Okay. So what we do is, I will also create this. Create here. So this concept is what, triggers. Triggers. So I think already we have. What I will do is, we'll use some other database, because in this I guess already I have show tables, show basis. Recently, if I have created anything, yes, world. Let me create world. Use world. Done. Now in this world, I'm using all this. First one, step one. Yeah. I have created. First step is done. Second one is what? Create a product backup table. So this is what? This is my table, products table. So here I'm writing it as creating product table. Product table. It is done. Now once product table is done, guys, you are also creating along with me. Yes, yes, no, maybe. Okay, good. Now I have created one table. Now next one, what I need to do is, I'm creating what, backup table. So backup table. Once I paste, I will give you the time to create. Now here, creating product backup table. Okay. So now here we have two tables I created, and this one is ID, name, quantity, price, and these two things extra we have done in this backup table. So what is this two things, guys? Audit action. Action is varchar, means it is a string, and also action time. So whenever we are doing any changes or inserting, depending on our trigger, how we are writing the trigger. Yeah. So have you created the two tables? If yes, then write two tables created. It is the total code. Is it done? Created two tables. Good. Now, once we have created the two tables, what we need to do is we need to also insert something else. Yeah. So this is done. Now, insert the values. No, no. Yeah. Third step is what? Create a trigger. Trigger. But before that, what we are doing here is just inserting. What we are doing, just inserting of one value, one record. So what I'm doing is just I will copy paste it. Only one row. That's it. Okay. So see here, just no need insert into products table. No. Then now if it is done, then what I need to do? Select star from products. Chandrabu, you can share second table query. Okay. Mhm. No issues. I will share. I'll share this one. Backup table. I think this is working. You can directly copy paste. Okay. Now, why I'm getting two times? Uh, it should be like one time, right? Something happened. I think I have pressed two times product. Fine. So It is like just giving here this one, two times insert into products. What is the name here I given? Product backup. Here it is products. Okay, fine. Fine, guys. Now something happened. So I inserted successfully. Now what I need to do is I need to write what? Trigger. So let's write the trigger. Have you inserted just one value, one row? This row you have to insert. Where it is this part. One LG quantity two on this, guys. Have you inserted this one? And where we are inserting in the products table. Now, once it is done, now what I need to do is I need to write the trigger. Let's see. Now this is done. This is what trigger it is. Trigger also we will be having many things, many statements. That is the reason we are using what delimiter. Trigger code. So what is this trigger is doing here? It is saying that create a trigger with a name, my name, and then after the insert, whenever we are inserting in the product, after insert in the product, just now we did for each row, every row, begin from here we are starting insert into backup table also. It is saying we have to insert in the backup table. Okay, so what we have to insert, like new dot whatever the new it is. This is the syntax, guys. New, we have to write like new. Now after this, what we have done is, so quantity, price, and two more things we have written, right? For that, what we are going to see is insert. So what is this insert? Insert is for what? Action. And time, current time. Yeah. So now let me execute this. Okay. Now what I need is I wanted to check whether my product backup table also got inserted or not. So for that purpose, what I have given the code is here. Select star from backup table. So let's see here. Select. What it's saying? Something error here. What is the error? Table world products backup table does not exist. What is the meaning of this? Means I have not executed this. Mm, okay. Maybe I have not given this. Now I created this. Now once more time G. Trigger is done. Now what I need to do is I need to check, guys. Now anything got inserted here? Now just you see here in the backup table, because what I have done is I have created, I think I forgot to select that. I selected again, I created this. Now I need to insert this. So now I have to insert. Yes, I inserted. After inserting, I need to check this. How many? Total 1, 2, 3. Three times it is getting executed. So three times, it means I have not inserted in the backup table. Now I'm checking with the backup table again. Yes. So this is what I was saying. In backup table, I have not given anything. Yes, I have not given anything, but still I got what my name, my ID, name, and quantity, pricing, everything I got. But audit action, what is audit action? Insert. I have done insert, and then at what time? So it is like giving me the like day and month and then year, 30 today's date. Yeah. So guys, have you noticed that what happened? Like in the backup table, I have not given anything. I have not inserted. Where I have inserted only product table. But in the backup table, automatically it gone by writing the triggers code. Yes. So anyone executed this? Chandra, you are trying. Chandra or Chandu, anyone? Just trying. Okay. So guys, no need of getting confusion here. Just creating a table. This table, once you create this product table, create the backup table, and after creating the backup table, you can create the trigger also. This, what is this trigger? Trigger is saying, this trigger is saying that whenever there is an insert, or insert into. So here see, after insert on product, if anyone is inserting on the product table, what it has to do, this trigger has to insert into product backup also. So what it has to insert all this. Okay, then yes, just try to check whether it's working or not. So once if it is done with you from your side, then we can like close or we can wind up. Yes, have you noticed that in the backup table the record got inserted? Yes, no? Have you noticed it? I have not given any insertion command in the backup table. Yes, sir, noticed. Okay. Hello? हाँ, yes. So you're doing. So what I will do is I will just copy paste this all to in the chat. I guess that will make your work easier from here to here. You received the code, guys? I guess now you have the code with you. No, maybe I just shared it through the chat. Check once. So guys, now how much time it will take for you to execute, or you are almost done? Yes. No response. Executed. Oh, good, good. So I guess even Chandu, you can also get executed. You can also execute. So guys, that's it. Now what is this is this is a trigger which I have created for the update. So if I'm doing if we are making any update now, in that case also backup table will be getting inserted something like. So that's it guys for today. And yeah, so what we have learned in today's class is we have seen about something like looping, and also we solved one or two problems, even and odd, and one is what was another one, sum of first 10 natural numbers by using what stored procedure. And we have seen examples of stored procedure and also triggers. Okay, so that's it guys from my end, and I wanted you to try this, and if possible I will be sharing you all the codes and whatever I have. Okay, so that you can practice well. And and many and all these things I will be sharing on my channel also very soon. Okay, that's it for from my end. Anything you would like to say guys? Questions? Okay, so guys, done with the day. Thank you for attending. Okay, bye bye guys. Enjoy your Sunday. We'll meet on Monday again. Bye.
The meeting has ended. Thank you for joining. Goodbye.